He's drunk as hell. Anyway, so
train's out of service. We apologize for the short notice. The train's out of service. Train's
out of service.
Yeah, we gotta wait for next.
Train's out of service. Train's out of service.
The train's out of service.
We apologize for the short notice. There's a problem at Keel Station.
I know. Is he going backwards?
This train is out of service. All passengers, please exit the train. This train
Wait a minute, somebody's sleeping there.
Line 2, Fort Pickling.
Please do not board this train. This train is out of service. Attention passengers, this train is out of service. We are turning back to down. We're turning back to down.
Hey, the train is out of service. You wanna?
That's his home.
All right, that's it. Wow, look at that. Everybody's train out of service at Christie. I wonder why. So what do? We wait for next train? 7:53. See how long it takes for the next train to arrive. Let's check it out.
1% battery.
Oh my God, 1% battery on the phone. Temperatures are 6 degrees Celsius. Wow. Warm enough if you have to walk. Oh, we can walk. Walk a long distance. Wow, look at that, huh? Does it say when the next train's coming?
Every 5 minutes?
Uh-oh, every 5 minutes. I hope to God we're recording. Are we recording?
The red thing has to come on, right?
The red thing?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh man, the red thing's on. Can you see the red thing? It's a good thing.
Yeah.
I need to hire somebody. So many times so many times I'm like filming and I think I'm filming and I'm like, then I come home and like, wait a minute, I wasn't recording. There we go. Man, I'm gonna run out of battery. I won't be able to do time checks anymore. 7:45. Now I have to use your phone for time checks or somebody else's. Wow, what happened? You just kicked us off the train.
Oh, that wasn't very nice.
That wasn't very nice. It's like, and he kept going.
I
It was
know.
with only a homeless person on it.
Yeah.
And just pretended it was sleep. Where do you think it's gonna go? To the train's gonna go to the yard, or it's gonna go to a?
Maybe somebody important wanted to take the train.
Maybe Trudeau's in town. Is like trying to ride on the subway. Yeah, Trudeau's in town. It's like, I need to ride a subway for a photo op. They go, sir, we're gonna close the TTC for you, and some lady is gonna yell at you to tell you to get the beep off the province, and no trains coming in. Is that the guy we were on the street?
I don't think so.
No? I think it's the same guy who was in front of us before in the previous video. Doesn't? No, maybe not. No? It doesn't.
I think they were both wearing red, weren't they?
There can't be two people dressed the same way, wearing red, acting the same way in the city. That's just, I think it's the same guy. I think it's just sobering up now. Wow, this is like a long wait. Wow.
His girlfriend wasn't happy.
Oh, she left?
She didn't look too happy.
Yeah, I know.
And the guy looked like so stressed.
Yeah. I saw her looking outside the thing 2 or 3 times, looking for the train. Yeah, she was looking in the brown jacket, and she's like, "That's it. You're taking an Uber." And the guy's like, "Oh my God."
I know. See, I told you we shouldn't go on the subway.
Yeah, I know. She was a high maintenance Asian. High maintenance. Ooh. High maintenance and Asians. Oh my God.
feel mission specialty?
I feel mission specialty, yeah. High. Yep, there's
Are there any other angry girlfriends?
no, I don't
Everyone's
see.
cool.
Everybody else's girlfriend is checks out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like you can tell, like some
Yes.
people,
She's smiling.
she's smiling, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want a high maintenance girlfriend, especially with this kind of subway operation. If you're in a town that has good subways, yeah, but not in Toronto. Wait a minute, that's empty. I think that's the same train that we were on.
It looks like it.
Where's the homeless person? Do you see it? No, this is not the same guy. It's just by random. Both guys are wearing red jacket and acting cool. Yeah,
The other guy was yelling. This guy's not yelling.
Yeah, the other guy was young. This guy's not young. This train is empty. So I guess our train went in a U-turn. You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, there comes our train. I see a light. Do you see a light?
Yep.
I see the light. I see the lights. I see the lights. Do you think that train's gonna be empty or full? If the train's full, there's gonna be no room on it. Yeah, it's gonna be full. We might have to miss this. Unless this guy in a red jacket gets on the same car as us, it might be it might be some entertainment value.
Yeah.
I don't think the train's coming. Do you see it coming? What do you? What's this? Is it?
But it says every 5 minutes, so it's almost been 5 minutes, so it should be coming.
Suddenly you're gonna trust what people say?
I know.
7:59. Ooh, 59er. Yeah, I might have to charge my phone, I see lights. Is that lights? I see lights. Yeah, definitely see lights. Okay, the train's coming. So what do we do? See how busy it is.
Okay.
Da, 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 da. Wow, it's gonna be busy. It's gonna be busy, mofo, yo. Okay, let's see. Let's see how. No, it's gonna be okay. Like, nobody's getting on this side. Huh? What's going on? The driver. Yeah, it's fine. Should be okay. That's it. Not a huge delay. 8 o'clock. Just like they said, 5 minutes. All right. Catch you in the next one.
The next station is Ossington.
Ossington. All right, boom, done. Should we jump in the next one? Oh my God. Okay, you go first. You go first. All right, go, 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 go. Line 2, cross Kipling. Ding, dong. All right, that's it. Catch you guys in the next film.
The next station is Dufferin Station.
Cool, that's it.